service area coming up, but it has some restrictions, and I know why. So I have reviewed, or toured actually, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. We're at Modena. It's a nice building, but it might be old. Maybe we better not get used to it. Yeah, I think it's the old style. So this is going to be history. And at the time, little did I know that all of the New York State Thruway rest areas were indeed getting upgrades. I think it'll be fun if I see the in-between, and then we'll be back. Because you won't be seeing this anymore. So enjoy this video. Look, they're taking stuff down already. So the gas station part is open. And this is why people will be pulling in. You can, I'm going to go where the trucks are. Okay, so here's the construction. And of course it's all fenced off, so we can't get close. But you see the distinctive shape of the New York State Thruway rest areas. It's going to have that barn farmhouse shape that they all have. I'm not sure if this one looks like it's going to be any bigger than the Ulster one. For some strange reason, it looks like it might be, but I really couldn't say. And they have trees planted already, so the landscaping is in place. I'm gonna drive around to the other side to see what we can see. Okay, so there we are. Yeah, I think it's going to be a nice size one here. I'm going to see if I can pull somewhere. There it is. The gas station area looks like it's possibly completed already. Now, if you go into the gas area, if you go where it says cars, I don't know what trucks do, I guess they walk. The convenience store is not open. You know what? I'm going to park right here and see what it is. Okay, the convenience store is open. So if you need something, they don't quite advertise. Diesel is here. And a nice view. All right. Nice little treat to see something actually under construction. So hopefully this one will be up, and then, you know, we'll come and visit. Alrighty, I'm the NYS traveler. I think they said 39 miles down I-87 South, New York State Thruway. I'm going to meet you at the next one. They're going to close this one down.